What's the meaning of correctly? Correctly. Correctly.
Correctly. Correctly. Correctly refers to doing something accurately or without error. It means performing a task or completing an action with precision, attention to detail, and no mistakes. When we do something correctly, we follow a set of standards or guidelines to ensure the best possible outcome. This could apply to a range of activities such as successfully completing a test, cooking a meal, or installing a piece of equipment. Overall, doing something correctly means achieving the desired outcome through careful planning, attention to detail, and a commitment to getting things done right.